gourmet. Why does one person relish cheese and another cringe at the thought of it? How can someone eat carrots by the bunch while someone else prefers only potatoes? The answer lies with taste. It is a sense that adds flavor to our world. The event Gourmet explores the science and art of taste. The tongue is the sense organ of taste. It is sensitive to different tastes like sweet, sour, bitter, salty, umami, and metallic. Taste as a sense is the perception of a combination of these chemical signals on the tongue. In the first activity, students identify different tastes and learn about taste buds. While this sounds simple, taste involves much more than these simple categories. Taste is a combination of how a food smells, looks, and sounds. When we eat chips, it has to have a crunch. When we drink coffee, we expect a certain aroma. In the second activity, students experiment with how the appearance of food influences our taste. Some of us love spicy food. So is spiciness a taste? The spiciness of food is conveyed through a sensory system known as chemical irritation. This system involves the trigeminal nerve, which has thousands of nerve endings located in the nose, mouth, throat, and eyes. The nerve endings sense and respond to the sting of peppers and the coolness of menthol. Students taste Tabasco sauce and menthol to understand the role of the trigeminal nerve in conveying temperature and pain sensations to the brain. Flavor and taste might seem like the same thing, but hold your nose when you're eating and you'll quickly draw a distinction. The distinctive flavor of most foods and drinks comes from its smell. While sugar has a sweet taste, strawberry is a flavor. While coffee may be bitter, its aroma is all about flavor. An airway between the nose and mouth lets people combine aroma with the 5 basic tastes to enjoy thousands of flavors. The nose therefore knows it all. Students conduct an experiment to understand the connection between the sense of taste and the sense of smell. Our genes help to determine how we detect the basic tastes by influencing the configuration of taste receptors. This might explain why you might like broccoli while your best friend finds it bitter. Through the last activity, students learn how genes also determine our sense of taste. Did you know that taste could be such a meaty subject?